Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make money uploading videos on TikTok. So first of all, you need to install this app Whop. Then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. It's really simple. You can create your account with Google account or a Facebook account or Apple ID. And after that, simply tap here the discovery button, the bottom part of your screen. Then scroll down, then you can see where the option content rewards. So basically this app offer you, like, there are a couple of company, they offer you that if you use videos, if you create videos for their company and upload it in your own social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and uh, uh, other things, then they will give you the money for per thousands views. So you can see here 305 result. It means 305 company and individual is available here. For example, I'm just going to choose randomly this one. So simply tap here. So before that, I just so for example this one, you can see the kid. This one, you can see here it's really low amount. Need to find the good one. You can see here the option Iman Gajali content rewards. So here you can see Iman Gajali make money online challenge UGC. So like this is UGC, it means that you have to honor of the video, it's not clipping. And if you see here the type UGC, it means all the videos honor of you. And clipping, it means that you have to, they provide you the video, and you have to get link or clips from their video and upload it in your own account. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one, you can see, and they give you the $1 per 1000 if you upload videos on TikTok. Simply join waitlist. So you have to wait for this, it's waitlist, because this is highly paid. I'm just going to choose new one. So those are news. You can see here they give you 500 and they give you 200, and the Jordan Wells clips give you 5000 paid. So just simply click here and tap the join button. Make money posting clips for Jordan. So this is individual. Open Whop, and here you can see this is the overview and content rewards. You can see content reward, and clipping course. This is the main thing that they provide you, and their requirement, like how to upload videos on your own social media like TikTok. Then it's a course, clipping intro and guide, content guidelines. So you can read it, only 6 minutes. Then you will know how to start. So if you tap on the start, then they teach you how to use this and get the videos. So you have to upload it TikTok, not only TikTok, but also you can see Instagram, YouTube, and also X.